Hello guys, welcome back to BMRPkids Rocks channel. How are you all? So let's get into the video. Today we are preparing chicken curry. The ingredients are chicken, ginger garlic paste, chilies, tomatoes, coriander, onions, poppies, cashew nut, coriander paste, garam masala, salt, chili powder, oil. Now let's start the preparation of chicken curry. Take one bandi and add oil into it. After heating the oil, add onions and green chilies. Now mix these. After some time, add ginger garlic paste. Fry them. Add poppies, cashew nut paste. Now mix the ingredients. After some time, the mixture looks like this. Now add tomatoes. Take chicken in one bandi and add chili powder, salt, and mix the chili powder and chicken very well. The chili powder and chicken salt should get mixed up very well. After mixing, the onion and mixture looks like this. Now add the chicken into the mixture. Mix the chicken and the mixture together. After some time, the chicken looks like this. Keep lid. After removing lid, the chicken looks like this. Chicken curry is being cooked. After some time, add coriander. Our delicious chicken curry is ready to eat. Enjoy the chicken curry and like the video and subscribe to BMRPkids Rocks channel. Bye bye. See you all in next video.